Bye.
Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to another look. So today I'm gonna use some NARS stuff. I think I'm gonna keep it to the holiday stuff, but if I have to, I probably will bring something else because I want to add a couple of other colors, and I wanted to do something colorful but extremely dramatic. So I was thinking of doing like dramatic blush and eyeshadow that will go into it, and then also I am gonna be covering my brows. So I haven't done a brow look where I cover my brows completely, you know, so I'm gonna do that again just to kind of bring it back so you guys know, like, hey, you know, he covers his brows and he does some crazy like avant-garde tutorials. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let me go ahead and just zoom you in and we'll get it started. So I have everything on except for brows, and I have contour. I have no highlighter, just a natural glow, but I'm gonna be adding the blush and the highlighter on top. So I'm gonna start out with the NARS eyeshadow base and coat the entire eye with it. This will give us a little bit of a priming action before I put the white. Now I'm gonna apply the white concealer. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the concealer on top. Okay, this looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of the eye primer on the lid itself to kind of help everything stick. And now I'm going to be applying Untamed from the Hot Tryst palette, which is like this super dark pink. And we're just going to start building the shape with this. Now I'm just applying it on the brows to connect it to the eye. Now we're going to bring this to the cheek. Okay, the cheeks look super strong. Now let's bring the eyes to the same intensity. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use Endless Party. I'm gonna start adding that color to the crease. Okay, I think this is coming to an end, and this looks really good to me. I'm gonna do a little bit of ombre by using Not For Sale on the lip. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of red lipstick. This is Rouge D'Armani 400. And I'm gonna use a little bit of the Magic Way Concealer to kind of highlight the middle. Alright, let me finish it with some liner mascara. I'm gonna take some photos and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the look. It actually came out nothing like what I expected it to come out. But I'm kind of happy, like it came out super colorful. I love the shapes. I love the little lip, you know, with the red. I love the contours. I love the shadowing, the light brows. So I'm actually pretty happy. And then I put this jacket on. I had this jacket forever from Super Dry. It somehow, I feel like it goes well with the look because it's so different, you know, like these two things and my hair. So yeah, as usual, I'm gonna be putting the photos and a video so you can see the vision behind the look. If you have any comments, you can put them in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, you know, ring the bell button and to be notified when I have another video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and share.